ChatGPT can write, Midjourney can draw. But what if there was an AI that could imagine an entire project from idea to final product in seconds? That's exactly what SEEDREAM 4 is doing. It's not just smarter, it's creative in ways that will shock you. But before we jump in, let me warn you, this AI has a few surprises you're not expecting, and I'll reveal one game-changing feature later in the video. Hey, I'm Hassan Khan with AllAboutAI, where we break down the latest AI tools so you can stay ahead. Let's explore SEEDREAM 4. SEEDREAM 4.0 is a next-generation multimodal AI image model developed by ByteDance. That means it doesn't just understand text, it creates text, code, images, even videos in one seamless system. Other tools make you jump from one platform to another. SEEDREAM 4 says, why not do it all at once? It's like having ChatGPT, Photoshop, and a coding assistant rolled into one. Except, and this is important, it doesn't just respond, it actually dreams up new ideas you didn't even ask for. Here's what I mean. Creators. One prompt, make a blog on ecotech, a YouTube thumbnail, and 3 tweet variations. SEEDREAM 4 does it in under 60 seconds. Developers. Instead of just fixing code, it imagines entirely new approaches. Some users report coding tasks done twice as fast. Teachers and students upload a textbook, and SEEDREAM 4 can turn it into a full interactive lesson with visuals and quizzes. When we tried similar workflows at AllAboutAI, what stood out wasn't just the speed. It was how SEEDREAM 4 connected everything together, building a full blueprint you could actually run with. Pretty wild, right? And stick around, because I'll show you the feature that makes it even more powerful than GPT-4 in a moment. But hold on, before you think it's perfect, let's get real. SEEDREAM 4 can still hallucinate just like other AI models. It sometimes makes up data or struggles with complex logic. Costs can also add up fast for heavy use. So the secret is not to treat it as a replacement for human work, but as a creative partner. Think of it like an insanely fast co-pilot, powerful but not flawless. Now here's the feature I teased earlier. SEEDREAM 4 has the ability to generate dreamscapes, outputs that mix modalities in unexpected ways. Ask it to design a mobile app, and it won't just give you the code. It also sketches the UI, suggests marketing copy, and builds a launch email, all from one request. That's not just artificial intelligence, that's artificial imagination. And the future? Expect to see SEEDREAM 4 inside. Search engines that don't just find links, they build full solutions. Work apps like Notion or Google Docs, where your notes turn into presentations automatically. Entertainment, from AI-generated films to games that write themselves as you play. We're standing at the edge of a completely new kind of AI, so that's the SEEDREAM 4, the AI that doesn't just think, it dreams. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update from AllAboutAI. And I want to hear from you. What's the very first thing you would build with SEEDREAM 4? Drop your ideas in the comments, and I'll feature the best ones in the next video.